You love your hair and so do we. Have a gorgeous hair day. With love, Chi. Oh, that's nice because I do love my hair. Hey guys, I am so excited. This is the Chi Ulta Beauty Rocket Hair Dryer. I decided to give this a try because I want to invest in a nice blow dryer, and I like that it comes with a lot of tools. One thing I like, first of all, is the color. It's a fun color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it. I just like how it slide open. So it comes with, I forgot what kind of brush this is, but that brush. It comes with a sample of the Chi Silk Fusion. I actually had that before. It's pretty good. It's actually, their oils are actually my favorite oils to use. It has a Chi Guard, like a flat iron spray, like a heat protected. I didn't know that it came with a diffuser, but that's really nice for like natural hairstyles. I'll be doing some videos with that as well, some clips. And my favorite thing for straightening, like I love a blow dryer with a comb. So here it is. And I can't wait to do a video. Okay guys, first I'm gonna start off with freshly washed hair. I washed and blow dried my hair. Next I'm gonna go in with the heat protected spray by Chi that came with the box. The heat protected spray does say to use it before you use the flat iron, but I prefer to use it before I use my blow dryer, because the blow dryer does put out a lot of heat, and it is a lot of heat going on my hair. And I feel like if I put the spray on my hair before I flat iron it, it'll come out greasy, and I'm not going for that look. So next I'm going to use those clips, and I also put some oil in my hair, the oil that came with it. Then I'm going to use the blow dryer with the comb and turn the blow dryer on high heat. One thing I can say about this blow dryer is that the comb did fall a few times, but I feel like that's with most blow dryers. I see some people tape them. I don't know how safe that is, but this is why it's important to like section your hair and stretch it, and have your ends trimmed, because yeah, it'll get stuck at the end, and which will make the comb come out. I'm just gonna speed this up. Basically, I'm just using the blow dryer and then twisting the pieces and wrapping them. This helps keep it stretched so it won't shrink back up, or none of the water, the humidity won't get on the hair that is blow dried.
I ain't about to stay up on this merry-go-round and round, cause we go round and round, but I don't want no clowns around me. I tell them who is you cuffin', I got them huffin' and puffin' me, keep on calling me baby like I'm a bun in the oven.
Then I go ahead and section all the hair. I go ahead and section all my hair. Yeah, I had me a little drinky drink. This was actually Valentine's Day, and I was about to go out with Bae. So that was Bae handing me a little drink. Yeah, we are ready to go. The blow dryer did so good. You guys see those ends? My ends need to be clipped. Now it's time to go ahead and put some heat to this thing. Stretch it out. Let down it on out. This is what we here for. I don't know. I feel like the back of my hair always really like poofy. So it's always like I don't really feel satisfied with the back until like I'm done with everything, and then I always go back and do the back. Anyone else notice how I keep parting with my fingers? Anybody else do that? I don't know. I don't really use combs like that when I got nails on. I just feel like it helps. They're right there. I can just pick it on. Look, pick it on through. Yes. Once I'm finished with all my sections, I go ahead and make sure I go through all the hair again, like together. I don't know, I do the same thing with blow drying. Like I section them all and then I like go make it all together. This is definitely my favorite hairstyle on myself. Like I just love my hair straight. I just feel so classy, like a grown boss lady. Like, you know, I just love my hair like this. It's just so soft. I love my new blow dryer. I don't like using the like brush and the pedal. I don't like doing that. I like the comb. Like just tell just how much easier it is. Like, yes, hair is ready. She is laid and ready. Yes, it's so shiny and soft and it feels so healthy. Yes. And this is actually before I trimmed my ends. So this looks really good. I'm really satisfied with this blow dryer. You guys should give it a try. I do recommend it.
Wow.
No.
Yes, bitch.
No stiff bitch.
No, none of that.
Shake bitch.
What?
Yeah.
All that.